Welcome all. So this is new episode of Daily Trivia series, new questions every day by Jigyasa Quiz Club. Yes. So yesterday we asked this question. The question was asking about a historic event which was first of its kind, and it was in the early 1950s, and in this event India saw the birth of nearly 400 newspapers that lasted only days. Yes, some of you had answered it correctly. I appreciate it. And the answer is first Indian general elections, which occurred from 1951 to 1952. Yes. Now, today's question. Yeah, so this is Daily Trivia number 11. The Flag Act of this country states that the flag colors are sky blue, dash red, and snow white. The colors symbolize the three elements that make up the land: blue for mountains, white for ice, and red for the found in this country. All the countries in this region have a cross on their flags. Which is this country and what is the blank? So basically, this question asks about a particular country whose flag act describes its colors as sky blue, dash red, and snow white. You need to tell me what fills this blank, and I will show you the flag of this country. If you are able to identify this country, you may be able to identify the dash, because that dash is a significant feature of this country. Sky, dash, and snow, these are the significant features of this country. Let me show you that image. Yeah, so this is the flag image of that country. Now you need to tell me what is the name of this country and what is the thing that fills that blank. Okay, thank you. Next question and answer number 11 shall be updated tomorrow. You need to answer in the link provided in the description box, and stay safe. Thank you.